Before we can make our seamless texture, we have to get a closer look at the brush in Photoshop. Well, the brush in Photoshop is a tool that you can select here, and normally you draw with a circle, and if you drag that you get a line. But here you can see there are several different shapes, like for instance here the leaf. If I click the leaf and I use it, it scatters leaves for me all over the place. In the folder with the downloadable files that you got with this tutorial, you will find a brush. You won't recognize it. It's called Flower Brush, and it has this extension called ABR, Adobe Brush. This brush needs to come in this window, because otherwise we cannot use it. I will show you exactly how to do it. Go to Edit and go to the Preset Manager. Default that starts in brushes. There are also the default managers for swatches, gradients, styles, patterns, etc. But we keep it at brushes. You click on Load, and here you get all your brushes. I've got a few brushes already in here. It is easy to put them in folders so you can find them later on. So in this case we are making a folder and we will call it Tutorial. I will open that folder, and all I have to do now is take this brush, this flower brush, drag it into the tutorial folder and click Load. Well, I have set Load, here it is, so I can say Done, and now this specific brush is available and we can use it, and we will make our seamless texture with it.